airport. My sister, we had a little bit of a reason to be there. We had a reason to be there this morning, and now I'm on my way to do my hair
Without my sister. I'm leaving her behind.
Wow.
I'm going to get my hair done and leave my sister with her hair, even though we got our hair done together at the same time. But it's fine. Go get your hair done. I hope it falls off.
Wow. Okay. Anyway, I'm having some chai tea in my Herbalife cup. It's okay. Anyway, I just wanted to check in with you guys, and I guess this is where this vlog starts. Probably not, but anyway, we'll see. Hi guys, welcome to Saturday. It's Saturday, and my parents and I attended a tombstone unveiling. A family member, and so we're currently still there, but it's like it's all done. It's time for food and lunch and such and such. So and all that. I just was like, I'm not getting out of the car because I'm just tired. I was sleeping all the way from the Memorial Park to here because I'm just tired. I'm really, really tired. But later today I have things that I have to go to a rehearsal. Well, not really a rehearsal, but I have to go to Molapo to go and see the setup for tomorrow's event that I'm emceeing. I'm really, really excited about that. And but I am really tired. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair, because combing my hair is just a mission and a half. Not that it's painful or anything, but it's tedious, and I don't want to do that. But we'll see what I do tomorrow. It's okay. I'm just looking all kinds of raggedy, but I hope you're having a fantastic weekend, and stay tuned for more. It should start at 4. It is Kanagoman. 3, and the event should be starting at 4. I just got there. Let's all go. Don't know me.
I am an actress, a motivational speaker, a content creator, but today I'm wearing my hat of MCA and I'm very excited to be here.
And just like that, we are done. Whew. What a beautiful night. Cold as a heck, but